Good morning, class 7. We shall continue with the same chapter, the second exercise, exercise 13.2 of your textbook, page number 185. But before doing this chapter, you should have the basic concept of angles, which are the combination of two different rays. Let us have a small recap of what you might have done in class 6. The sum of the angles that you discussed in class 6, the first one is right angle, which is 90 degree. An angle less than right angle is called acute angle. An angle more than right angle or more than 90 degree is called the obtuse angle. An angle that is straight 180 degree is the straight angle. And a very special type of angle is the reflex angle. The reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. You can see this is the reflex angle, which is more than 180 but less than 360, and the sum total of an angle is 360 degree. So these informations will help you to do the fill in the blanks of 13.2. But however, before coming to exercise, let us have some more special type of angles which we are supposed to discuss. So in this chapter we have two main type of angles to discuss. One is the complementary angle. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum total gives you always 90 degree. Sum total always gives you 90 degree. I have given you two examples. Say for example, one angle is 30 and the other angle is 60. So 30 plus 60 gives you 90. In the same way, 55 plus 35 also gives you 90. So whenever you add or take the sum of any two angle which is 90 degree is always called complementary. Similarly, for supplementary it is 180 degree. That means the sum total of two angle always gives you 180 degree. 100 plus 80 gives 180. 178 plus 2 gives 180. So other than these special angles that you did last year, I have included two more angles. One is supplementary, one is complementary. And other than that, you can see there is something called linear pair. Linear means a line which is already 180 degree, and two angles on straight line whenever you add always gives you 180 degree. That means you can see there are two angles here. The first angle is x, the second angle is y. Whenever you add angle x and angle y, you always get 180 degree. It is angle on straight line, or it is also called linear pair. Now we can simply come to the fill in the blanks of your book. You can see here the measure of a complete angle is 360. I already said a complete angle always is 360 degree is the total angle. Second one, if an angle is greater than 180 and less than 360, it is called reflex angle. This is also discussed here. I have already told you. Then coming to C, if P and Q are complementary, it is 90 degree. Coming to D, if P and Q are supplementary, it is 180 degree. Then again E, if it is a linear pair, it is 180. If P is acute, remember acute is always less than 90. And G, if P is obtuse, obtuse is always more than 90. So these are your fill in the blanks. Coming to question number 2. See, question number 2, they have given me two angles. If P and Q are complementary. So P and Q are complementary means whenever I add angle P and angle Q, I am supposed to get 90 degree. But the special thing given here is whatever is angle P and angle Q is double of P. So since I don't know angle P, I have taken as angle P as x and Q as twice of angle P, that is 2x. Because I have written here because Q is twice of P. Now since it is complementary angle, I am supposed to add angle P and angle Q. I'll get 90 degree. It is complementary. So angle P is substituted with x and angle Q is substituted with 2x. So x plus 2x gives me 3x is equals to 90. So I just keep x alone and 3 goes down and it's divided and I get 30 degree. So angle x is 30 degree. X is 30 degree means angle P is 30 and Q is just double of 30. So Q is 60. So if you see 30 and 60 gives me 90 degree. This is your question number 2. Now question number 3, they have asked to find the complementary angles. So complementary angles means it is 90. So if one angle is 30, the other angle is 90 minus 30, that is 60. Similarly for question number 4, if you see one angle is 178 and it is supplementary angle, so it is 180. So from 180 you subtract 178, you will get angle 2. Now in question number 5, they have asked you to find out whether it is supplementary or complementary. So 26 plus 65 is 90 degree, so this is complementary. 91 plus 89 is 180, so this is supplementary. 83 plus 7 is 90 degree, so this is complementary. But if you see this one, 125 plus 75 is 200 degree, so it is neither complementary nor supplementary. Okay, and the last question of this page, we shall be doing only one page today. So three angle formed at a point on one side of a straight line. It is a straight line and it is a ratio is given. Since we don't know the answer, since we don't know that this one, according to ratio, I have taken 2, 3 and 4. So I have taken 2x, 3x and 4x, and since it is in a straight line, I have written it as 180 because straight line is 180 degree. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x gives me 9x. 9x is equals to 180. Therefore, if I solve the value of x, 180 by 9 gives me 20. So the first angle was 2x. 2x means 2 into x, that is 2 into 20. I have got already a value of x as 20, so that is 40. Second one is 3x, so that is 3 into x, 3 into 20 is 60. And third one is 4x. 4x means 4 into x, which means 4 into x is 20, 4 into 20 is 80. Now if you see all these three angles, if I add, I'll get 180 degree. So this is the solution for question number 6. Hope this complete exercise, not in fact complete, you can just do page number 185 for today. We shall again meet on Friday, the next class. Thank you, bye bye, take care.